the ICC can investigate genocide, war crimes, war of aggression or crimes of aggression, and crimes against humanity. So, you know, the magnitude of these offenses is so much that probably a local court will not be able to independently and efficiently handle such crimes. No? So in our case, we are saying that the war on drugs does not even fall under any of those four categories.
Agoy. Huli. Ano sabi mo, ulitin mo?
Drugs does not even, in our case, we are saying that the war on drugs does not even fall under any of those four categories.
Oh, please bring back PRRD home. Hindi pala nagfo-fall sa category yung war on drugs. Bakit?
We do not consider the war on drugs as a crime against humanity because it's a legitimate law enforcement operation. It's called war on drugs. It's not a war on drug users or a war on drug pushers. No, it's a war against the crime itself. We're trying to address that situation.
Coming from the Solgen, palisiya, programa ng gobyerno para matupok, matepok, to combat yung criminality due to yung mga addict, mga durugista, mga drug lords. Hindi siya pasok sa crimes against humanity. Kaya please bring back PRRD home.
In the course of that campaign, however, many people died. But
6,180.
Yung mga namatay na yan, syempre magfo-fall yan sa jurisdiction ng Pilipinas. Sabi nila 6,000. Tapos ngayon, ilan?
5, I think. That's the PNP numbers.
Yes, apparently.
Yes, go ahead.
So hindi na totoo yung PNP numbers?
But then it's believed to be more than 10,000.
Sino nagsabing 10,000? Ngayon, 30,000. Aba, baka kung sino-sino nung binasahan si Tatay Digong sa The Hague. Ilan? 43 lang. Asan yung 6,000? Nasaan yung 10,000 na 30,000 ninyo?
Go on.
Yes. So what I'm saying is that operation called war on drugs does not fit the concept of a crime against humanity.
Agoy, pakiulit nga.
It does not fit. What I'm saying is that operation called war on drugs does not fit the concept of a crime against humanity. Okay, so we're disputing that. And that is very well explained in our own submissions.
Oops, Attorney Nicholas Kaufman, paki-bear in mind itong sinasabi ni Solgen from the Philippine government po ito. Please bear in mind. Alam kong alam naman nila ito, na ito ay dahil programa ng gobyerno para mak-crackdown itong mga durugista na ito. Paano mo gagawing crimes against humanity ito? Unlike nung ginawa ni Hitler, yun yung crimes against humanity. Kasi genocide yung mga yan Papatayin mo, mass murder ang ginawa mo doon. Ang dami. Hindi yun pasok or hindi kakayanin yun nung isang bansa. Kaya kailangan ilagay mo sa ICC.
To the ICC pre-trial chamber. Well, of course, somehow we mentioned it again in the appeals brief of the Philippine government. But that's our main point. So when this whole investigation about the war on drugs turned to be, from the president's point of view, something like there seems to be some political agenda involved in it.
And kasama si Marcos.
ICC seems to be somehow cooperating in that in one sense. The president thought it proper. Mag-withdraw na lang tayo dyan. Let's just withdraw.